I don't know where that landed. Yo, what up peeps? It's your girl Melanie, and I'm back again with my follow-up video of this torture device called the EZ Injector from Viana Care. Now this is actually going to be my 4th time using the product, and the first time I used it, I made a couple of mistakes along the way. Oh! Don't tell me I have 2 masks on my face again. Am I wearing this wrong? You guys, I'm such an idiot. But you may remember that it was extremely painful. In fact, so much so that I almost had a panic attack right before your eyes. Here's a little clip. I think I need to take a little break. I'm kind of having a little bit of a panic attack right now. I will be right back. And you're supposed to use this thing a total of 5 times with 2 weeks between each treatment. I was really scared to continue to use the product, but I wanted to show you guys the results and how it worked. Finally, on my 3rd treatment, I discovered a couple of things to make it a lot less painful and so much easier, and I'm going to show you those techniques today. So before I begin, I want to give you just a little recap of what you get in this EZ Injector system from Viana Care. So first you get the EZ Injector gun, and then you also get a pack of Ammi Capture Time Hyaluronic Acid Syringes. Oh, I don't know where that landed. A tube of Neocane numbing cream. These clear plastic masks, 5 disposable needle tips, a pack of aftercare Medi masks, and a charger and all the accessories that go with this gun. Okay, let's get down to business. Before we start, you're going to want to have a little bottle of peroxide, some cotton swabs, and I'm going to put my hair up. And I'm going to use my lovely micellar water to remove any dirt, oil, makeup around the areas that I plan to inject. I'm going to mostly focus on the lower half of my face today. And the reason I'm doing that is I actually just got Botox in my forehead a couple of days ago because I am trying it for my migraines. I'm also hoping it'll get rid of some of these little wrinkles up here too. All right, next up, it's time to get to numbing. And the first time I did this, I definitely did not use enough of this numbing cream. And I thought that that was mainly the reason for why it hurt so freaking much. So now I'm gonna apply the numbing cream on my face, and I'm gonna use a lot. Like, even if you think you have enough, put on some more. And by the way, did you know that this is also used for reducing sensitivity in the male genitalia area? The more you know. Now my face is pretty well covered. Do you remember these beautiful clear plastic masks that you're supposed to wear over the numbing cream? We are not going to use them today. I'm going to let this sit on my face for 45 minutes. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how much easier it is to use the EZ Injector without putting yourself through torture. All right, you guys, we're back. So after you leave that numbing cream on, you could leave it on for about 30 to 40 minutes. I'm going to remove it. Oh yeah, my face is really numb. Now, if you remember from my previous video, when I used this gun, it had like a vacuum kind of action which sucks your skin into the needle. So unless you're a masochist, why would anybody want to put themselves through that pain unnecessarily? My number 1 tip for making the EZ Injector less painful: get rid of the freaking gun. I'm going to show you how to use the EZ Injector system without the gun. So let's get everything set up here. I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to extend the tip to get it ready for my syringe. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on my Ammi Capture Time Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I have actually 2 treatments left. Just like before, we're going to unscrew the bottom here and screw it right onto this piece right here. Then we're going to put our cap on it. This is still the same cap that I used before. And then I'm going to lower the whole thing. And now I can screw this on. Now I'm going to get my little disposable multi-needle head ready to go. So Viana Care does have different needle heads. This is a 5-point needle head. They also have a 9-point needle head, which I'm told is much easier to use. Unfortunately, they only sent me the 5 needle head, so we're going to make do. And if you want to make sure that your skin is nice and numb, test it. I didn't even feel that. Okay, now I'm going to remove the cap on this syringe. Take my needle. I'm actually going to put the cap back on so I can push it down without stabbing myself. And now it's ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the EZ Injector on. And something I've noticed about when the gun is not on it, the dosage actually changes to 1 cc. So I've uncapped it. I'm going to press this little button here and get a little bit of the gel coming out of the tip. And now I'm going to start injecting. Here we go. Wish me luck. And I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to do all the areas along my face that I have numbed. It still hurts a little bit. I feel the pricks. But it's so much more mild than it was before. I put a lot more of the numbing cream here, so I barely feel it right there. When you put it on your skin, you can feel the little pops as it punctures your pores. Oh, that's a sensitive area right here. Some sections I don't even feel it at all. Let's get right up into my nasolabial folds. And honestly, I feel it more when I first poke it than when it actually injects into my skin. If you'll notice, I've barely flinched. Okay, so I think I'm done. I'm gonna cap the needle and remove it. And I'm actually gonna put this on. And now it's time to remove the syringe. Let's unscrew this. Now we're gonna extend the tip just a little bit, so that we can get it off. Everything came off in one go. Yay! And now we can put the gun away. Now let's take a close-up of my face. It looks like I got in a fight with a beehive. It looks like Pippi Longstocking's freckles are contagious. It looks like I'm a human pincushion. It looks like I slept on a bed of nails with my face. Now for the final step. I'm going to use the Medi mask. I have also learned something about why is everything spewing all over the place? Now, the very first time I used this mask, like the dumbass I am, I had no clue what I was doing. And I actually was using it wrong. So let me show you how you're really supposed to use this wet and slimy mask. God, you guys. Here I am pretending I'm an expert and I suck. So this mask actually has 3 layers. It has this white paper layer, which is just trash. And then last time when I had put it on my face, I left it on just like this. But because I'm a dumbass, I had no idea that you're actually supposed to remove this layer as well. Wow. So now I'm gonna let this sit on my face for about 20 minutes while my family makes fun of me. And then we'll come back and I'll give you my final thoughts. All right, time to remove this mask. You might have a little bit of your serum left over. And what I like to do is I will put the plunger back in and use a little bit of it on my face and neck. Like, this stuff's expensive. You don't want to waste it, right? So common side effects you might find is your skin might be a little bit bruised. You might have a little bit of redness and swelling. That's normal. It usually goes away overnight or in a couple of days at the absolute latest. The EZ Injector and the product retails for about $350. You can get the EZ Injector by itself for around $190. But once you get the kit, you can mix and match it with any products on their website. It's a little bit pricey, but if you consider how much it costs to get it done at a med spa, you're really saving yourself money in the long run. Plus, I will hook you guys up with a discount code to save 10% off anything in their website. So make sure you check out the links in the description below. Check out the before and afters. Do you notice a difference? So what do you think of this EZ Injector Home Mesotherapy Kit? Do you think you would give it a shot? Would you use it with the gun or without the gun? Let me know in the comments. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I just found out where it landed. On my freaking ceiling. Oh my God, I'm so embarrassed.